So the other two ways to solve, the first one was substitution. So that's when only one of the equations is y equals. And in that case, you have to take the equation that is y, right? And then replace the actual y with what it equals, I guess. So I'm going to rewrite the first equation, but then instead of y, I put this part, and then I finish out the equation. So then I just have to solve this for x, and it's always kind of the same steps. I distribute first. So I multiply -3 by everything in the parentheses. Then I combine like terms. And then I can solve. So I'm going to subtract 3 on both sides. I get -15x equals 15. And if I divide both sides by -15, these cancel and I get x equals -1. So I know what x is, but I also got to figure out what y is. So I'm going to plug it into the y equals equation. So y equals 4 times -1 minus 1, which is just -4 minus 1, which is -5. So the point where those two lines intersect is -1, -5. The other way is elimination. So with these ones, they're just going to be set up, so all you have to do is multiply them together. Or I'm sorry, add them together. Not multiply, add. Because when I do that, I end up with 3x, but -5y and +5y cancel out. So I get 3x equals 9. So to figure out x, it's real easy. I just got to divide, and I get x equals 3. To find y, I have to plug in what I got into either equation. It doesn't really matter. But so I've got 5 times 3 minus 5y equals -15. So 15 minus 5y equals -15. So now I start solving. If I subtract 15 on both sides, I get -5y equals -30. So when I divide, I get y equals 6. And it really wouldn't matter which equation you plugged it into, you should get the same thing. But just be careful, like for the first part, sometimes you get y instead of x, so make sure you're plugging it into the right thing. But that's it.